So passive range of motion, this is a gravity. Essentially, it's different than just doing MMT. So I'm going to be moving her. She's going to be relaxed. Okay. So I want to be stabilizing her distally, and I'm going to be supporting her proximally, and I'm going to be moving her. We're going to move her into elevation, depression, abduction, and adduction. Okay. So your position as a therapist, you're going to be right in front of the patient. She's going to be side lying, so she's in a comfortable position here. I'm going to hold her arm. Again, she should be relaxed. I'm going to try and get her to relax. If your patient is not relaxing, it's going to be harder to do this. I like to just cup her arm, so I'm going to cup her arm like right by my biceps, in between my body. I can hold it right here. It's really easy for me to do. I can move her around. It's not uncomfortable for her. Some people like to do this. If you're shorter, you can hold on to her arm like that if you'd like, whatever works for you. This is the most comfortable position for me. So I'm squeezing her wrist really, just gently, and I'm also supporting at her humerus. So from here, my hand is on her scapula, so I can feel she's got a really prominent scapula, so this is easy with Alyssa. This is her medial border, down to her inferior angle. I know I've got her whole scapula here, so if you relax. So we're going to try and do elevation. So I'm going to move her up into elevation. I'm going to bring her down into depression. Okay. So I'm moving her. Elevation, depression. And then from here we're going to abduct. So we're going to come forward, and we're going to adduct. Okay. So this should feel good if you get the patient to relax, because your scapulas are kind of fixed and they're not very mobile, and there's a lot of trigger points, pressure points. But you can move her into depression, elevation, abduction, adduction. The whole time you're watching her face to make sure she's not in pain during that phase, and really you're just kind of helping her move and just doing it gently and therapeutically, I guess. So again, you're not going to drop her limb at the end. You can set it by her side, you can set it on here, and that's how you passively range the scapula.